So here's how you can schedule birthday text messages on your Android. Let me talk about it. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So there are actually more ways how you can do this. There are like dedicated apps on the Play Store, which will like schedule the messages for you. So you can go with that option if you wanted to, right? So there are, as I said, plenty of ways which you can basically get it done through a third-party application, but there are also people who want to use it through the Google Messages. So if you use that, you should have the ability to start a new chat, basically. So you open up a new conversation, then you compose your message, and before you type that into the text field, but you don't actually press it to send it, but you hold down on the send button instead, and this should bring up the scheduling option, right? So you will basically pick the date and a time, so you can just specifically pick the the date and whenever you want to send the message, and you can just schedule it that way. So that is how it would generally work. So you have like more ways to access it. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you managed to find it on your device. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon.